What's up, everybody? Welcome back to BT Willa's Garage. Today we're going to be working on our 2022 Acura MDX Type S. The engine air filter, or the intake air filter I should say, is different on the 3-liter turbo versus the 3.5-liter non-Type S. So be sure to be aware of your engine. Mine looks like this. You should probably know if yours has a turbo or not. But the turbo models are a shorter intake filter. The non-turbos are a little bit longer, more rectangular. Here is the part number. This is located in the description on Amazon if you like to have it shipped to your door. 5119 on the K&N Lifetime engine air filter. So to get started, we're going to dive right in here. There are 5. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I believe that these are 8mm, or you can use a Phillips head, but let's go ahead and pop those off. I'll confirm if it was 8mm here in a second, and we'll take a look at what 38,000 miles did to our OEM filter. Something that I'm excited about real quick is the turbo noises coming through this K&N. I know in most vehicles they allow for a little bit more of a performance-oriented sound, so we're going to listen to some sound clips here shortly. So here's my setup. I've got a long extension on a 5/16. Ended up being the first one I found that fit. Again, I think 8mm would work as well. And one of the cool things is that when you remove these bolts, they don't come all the way out. They actually stay in to where you don't lose them. But I'm going to work with both hands here in a moment to take the entire box off to where I can get to that OEM filter that you can see a peek of there. So we'll take that off, move it carefully to the side, and just be careful because it's still connected, obviously, to the sensors and the piping here. So make sure you don't break anything as you're moving it to the side. So here's what our OEM filter looks like with 38,000 miles. You can see some debris and that it's physically dirty. So I would say do it at 40K or sooner, depending on conditions such as dust and pollen. We're in central North Carolina, if that helps anybody. So I must say, I'm pretty impressed. I couldn't really hear much on the standstill revs, but listen. I hope that picks up. Can definitely hear it. And here's the 40 roll with the windows up. The window down definitely lets the sound in more, but from exterior, this thing sounded completely different. It's just an intake filter, guys. Don't expect magic, but it does make a difference. And compared to stock, why not upgrade for the little bit of price difference and the fact that this one is a lifetime filter? As long as you take care of it every few thousand miles, 20 to 30 probably is a good area to be in as far as cleaning and re-oiling. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. Link in the description if you care to buy, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching BT Willa's Garage.